What's up guys, Reese here from reese3d.com. This is the fourth part of our tutorial series on creating 3D characters in Maya. So if you haven't watched the previous ones, you can go ahead and watch them. I have added links to those videos in the description. Okay, so if you haven't watched them, it would be a little bit confusing for you to just start with this video. So please go ahead and watch them and then come back to this. So in the previous videos, we basically created a simple sketch. And from the sketch, we brought that sketch inside Maya, and we have started creating the basic shape of the character, which is basically the upper body and the lower body, which is just having the legs. So now, from here, we're going to continue on building the details of the clothes and details in the face.